Hi guys, so this is how it looks, my Suzuki without plastics. Yeah, frame is rusty, yes. Oh my god. Yeah, and my manifold, intake manifold, need to be clean before I put new carburetor. I have new carburetor and I have new manifold, so that's good for me. And yeah, a lot of job need to be done with the frame. But first, what I wanna do, I wanna first start the engine to see if it's running or no. And this is new carburetor. I pay €100 carburetor with all manifold. So now I hope everything will fit perfect. And what else I got? Oh, new filter. That's brilliant. Yeah, many new parts. That's good. That's why you pay €100. That's from America parts and spark plug. That's what I'm gonna do, change spark plug too. Okay, so new carburetor fits perfectly. I have no issue with that, all good. And I need to clean out my fuel tank and change the spark plug and try to start. So this is my spark plug from here. That looks very bad. Yeah, very bad looking. I'm gonna now run the engine without spark plug. We'll see what's happened. It runs. Not nice, a lot of smoke, yes.